Gugukiritwo ki igoti-ini ria gucokia macira riko, bururi wetereire itua ria acirithania atano nio Erastus Githinji, Vislam Al-Nasil, Jamila Mohamed, Otieno Odiek na Roslyn Nambuye rigie ucabithia wa maratathi ma kura ma upresident. Itua riria riuma ria peji 41 na o mucirithania oya kanya gake he kuheana itua riri.
In the tender for the other 5.
Mucirithania Erastus Githinji akorwo akiheana itua ria mwisho kuria augire IEBC matiagararire watho wa kwaga gukuruhania muingi makiheana kandarathi iyo.
The appeal has merit and is hereby allowed. B. The judgment of the High Court dated 7th of July 2017 be and is hereby set aside to the extent 1. That the court erred in finding that public participation is a mandatory requirement in direct procurement.
Githinji oho ni akinyiriirie ati tariki iria yendekithitio ya githurano ni tariki 8 wa kanana kuringana na gatiba ya bururi.
Procurement entity satisfies section 103 and 104 of the Act as read with Article 2271 of the Constitution. Direct procurement cannot be unconstitutional. However, the decision as to the winning bid and award of the contract is the sole responsibility of the procuring entity as the accounting entity.
Nake mucirithania Vislam ni akorirwo agiteyaniria itua ria majaji matatu a igoti inene kuria ugite itua riao ni riagararire watho wa uheani wa kandarathi ya imwe kwa imwe.
The High Court took away the statutorily provided option available to public entities to procure goods and services in exceptional circumstances where there is an urgent need for such goods and services. That in so doing, the High Court effectively amended sections 103 and 104 of the PPAD Act.
Nake Jamila Mohamed ni ateanirie wira wa ngathĩti uria NASA yaneanite uria wakuruhanagia ngwataniro ya President Uhuru wa Kenyatta na kambuni iyo ya Al-Gural.
There is no alleged prior or pre-existing relationship between the President of the Republic of Kenya and the Dubai Chamber of Commerce delegation that is recognized by any substantive law.
Hĩndĩ iyo IEBC ni yoretio igatabania githurano kia oma na waragania.
In the conduct of elections, IEBC must adhere to the standards set in Articles 81 and 86 of the Constitution and conduct free and fair elections that is inter alia accountable and transparent.
No na kuri oguo itua riri ria igoti-ini riamukiritwo ni kiama kia Jubilee kuria matogereirie majaji mau ni undu wa gutua itua ria kihoto.
This is not just a victory for IEBC or for Jubilee. This is a victory for Kenya. It's a victory for Kenyan people because Kenyans now have certainty that on the 8th of August there will be the elections.
Maitho mothe riu magukorwo marorereirio kambuni ya ucabithia wa maratathi ya Al-Gural kuma bururi wa Dubai aria riu nio mena gibarua gia gutigirira githurano ni giahanika tariki 8 mweri wa kanana. Ngiripotera Kameme TV kuma Supreme Court, nie Geto Wabui, mwari wa Jia.